Do you want to clear your stretch marks in a simple manner? Do you want to make your own stretch marks oil in a simple one? Then guys, watch my video to the end. Guys, please. Are you still using the whitening product that are giving you that stretch marks? Please stop it. Stop using it and use this oil to clear it out. I'm teaching you how to make your own stretch marks oil. Please remember to use it continuously, non-stop. Don't use it once and expect miracles to happen. Stretch marks did not happen in one day. So guys, watch the video, do it by yourself and use it continuously. Don't stop. When you want to clear something from your body, please be serious about it. Clear it out, let it fade before you continue usage of the product that you are using. But remember to stop the product that give you that stretch marks. Remember to stop it. I'm going to show you how to clear your stretch marks using only 3 ingredients. Combine the 3 ingredients together and use it, and you bring your testimony. This is the simplest way to clear your stretch marks. Join me and let me show you how to make this oil. You can also come and buy my product, my lotion. Yes, the lotion that I'm using. You can also come and buy some. It clears stretch marks. Yes, guys. Trust me, it clears stretch marks. So guys, let's go and watch the video to the end.
Let's start to make our effective stretch mask oil. Yes guys, my first ingredient will be my shea butter. Why am I using shea butter? Shea butter fights against what? Breaks out. It heals cuts. It also moisturizes the skin. It reduces the appearance of stretch marks, scarring, and also it helps in preventing diaper rashes for babies. So guys, that's the reason why whenever I'm making a production, I incorporate shea butter. So shea butter is very good, and we are using 100 grams of my shea butter. I'm using 100 grams of my shea butter. My next ingredient will be my bio oil or bio oil, whatever you call it. It's very good. Bio oil or bio oil also help improve the appearance of scars. If you are having a scar, it will reduce it. And also if you are having a stretch mark on your skin, you know, stretch marks is also like a scar, so it will reduce the appearance of it. And also it helps smoothing the skin very well. It tones aging. So bio or bio oil is very good, and we are using 4 cup of the bio oil, 4 cup. And my next ingredient is my Goja extra virgin olive oil. Yes guys, we are using extra virgin olive oil. Please guys, you can use any extra virgin olive oil, but for me I'm using the Goja also help in firming the skin. Yes, it deep hydrates the skin. It also help in reducing the inflammatory. It gentle exfoliates. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So guys, we are using half of this one. It is 89 ml. So we are using half, 89 ml. We are using half. My next ingredient is my lavender repair essence. Guys, please select your ingredients very well when we are dealing with stretch marks. But that's the reason why I'm using lavender repair essence. Lavender repair essence is also, it may help in the healing of stretch marks. It increases the production of collagen. So guys, this lavender repair essence is very good. Yes, it helps encourage wound healing. So you know, stretch marks is also like a wood. If you don't know, yes. So we are using lavender repair essence, 30 ml of our lavender repair essence, guys. And my last ingredient is my miracle powder, small but mighty. This one is optional. Please, you can decide to add it or better still skip it, please guys. Yes, this one is an optional product, please. Yes, why am I using miracle powder? Miracle powder also help in fading of stretch marks, so we are using a pinch of our miracle powder. You know, miracle powder contains aloe vera. So let me show you the procedure, guys, please. Yes, I'm showing you the procedure. First, melt your shea butter in a double boiler method. After that, let it cool down. Turn the butter into a big bowl. We are using 100 ml of our shea butter. So after melting it, please add your Goja olive oil. Yes, half bottle, half. We are using half. It is 89, so we are using half of it. After that, then you add your bio or bio oil, please. The cup of it, please add 4. After that, then you add your lavender repair essence, 30 ml. 30 ml of it. Then you add a pinch of your miracle powder. Then you stir it together. Then you put it in a container. a clean bottle. Okay guys, please, a clean bottle, then you use it morning and night for days. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, also turn on notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Oh yes guys, comment on my comment section, and see you in my next video. God bless you all. Mwah.